few parts in recently, one of them which is a skid plate for the 240, so I'm going to install that today. And from what you can see, it is all aluminum. I guess it's 3 millimeters thick. One single plate stamped out and bent to, I guess, specifications, so we'll see just how it mounts up and whether or not it is perfect for it. Got the car up on the jack stands ready to go. I'll probably do like a before and after so you can see, you know, how it looks before and after. So yeah, let's get started on the installation. Okay, so I ran into a bit of a problem. As you can see, this is how it's supposed to look on the back end. And then this is what I have on the other side. That is not good. So what it looks like I have to do is somehow get that bolt off, and hopefully it'll come down and it hasn't just like been superheated and solidified with the metal. So I'm gonna try and get that out right now. Alright guys, with perseverance and vice grips I was able to get this off. Look how twisted that thing is. See, it barely got it off. I was very surprised that I got it. But it should have only taken like maybe like a 15-20 minute job. Is like taking more of an hour and a half now, but I guess that's what happens. So like a dummy, yeah, tightened it down too much. I was really excited to get this done, and it was too tight, or I turned it too much, and of course it popped off. But I was able to get this one on, and that one. That one was not really working with me. The screw wouldn't go in, so I don't know if it's just because they're rusted out or what the deal is necessarily, but those two weren't working. But luckily, these went in fine. That one in particular was the one that I was having so much issues with, or I thought that I wasn't going to be able to get that screw in or get the other one out, and was able to get that one in with no problem. This is your after shot of the panel. And it looks pretty nice. Not gonna lie. So with that one bolt that I sheared off, I don't know necessarily how to get it out without, I guess, taking out the radiator, and I really do not want to do that. So if anybody has any other ideas to get that out, I tried. There's no way I can get vice grips on it either. There's just not enough surface for it to clamp onto. So I guess aside from drilling it out, which you can't get a drill at that angle, any other ideas would be great. So let me know in the comments. I'm done. Not entirely happy with myself. This was supposed to be like an easy thing. Turned out to be just a horror. Anyways, I'm done for the day. Let me know what you think. And again, if you know how to get that sheared bolt off so I can get another one in there, make it more secure, please let me know. Thanks.